This is James Page here with SoldierMod at DSEI 2023. I'm on the KWESST stand. I'm with Peter Kelly. And Peter, we're going to talk about something called command and control on the move. Perhaps you could tell us firstly what that is and why it's so important to the modern battlefield.
Command and control on the move is a philosophy we have at KWESST. Looking at the modern battle space and understanding the kinetic effects of modern battle, mechanized warfare. If you move, you're safe. If you're stopped, you're a target. And looking at the last 25 to 30 years of peace support operations, counterinsurgency warfare, headquarters have become very static. So they're living in forward operation bases, and they've grown steadily. So if you look at a static CP at even a battalion level or a brigade level, they're very large static headquarters, a lot of IT infrastructure, a lot of equipment. They're not mobile. So in a mechanized battlefield, such as we're seeing in the Ukraine, large static headquarters just are not relevant to modern warfare. So we're taking an approach at KWESST with command and control on the move to really digitize and bring in command and control capabilities from brigade down to the dismounted soldier and network through at all layers. We're really focused on TAC, so Team Awareness Kit, and the Android series of products, and we're really developing a philosophy where we digitize the entire battle space and make soldiers connected so decisions can be made faster, more effectively with data.
Well, okay, so that is clearly critically important to the modern battlefield. Perhaps you could tell us a little bit more in sort of in depth in how that KWESST approach is going to help that person in the battlefield.
So at KWESST, we have a lot of people in our company. We're a small but agile company, about 30 employees right now, based in Ottawa, Canada. But we have a lot of people with military and defense industry experience, and our collective experience across the company, I think, uniquely positions us to bring good, valuable solutions to the battle space. We really want to be data centric. We understand that data can be a real enabler in warfare, and the real challenge is data overload. So we're devising our system to build data in at all layers that's redundant and survivable. So using TAC, we want to push compute power as far forward into the battle space as possible. Ideally, portable WARN computing on section commanders, and their soldiers within their sections are able to communicate to that computing device. That'll be networked to headquarters at the platoon level, and then at the company level you'll have a primary and alternate command posts, so on and so forth. We want to put some compute power in all those organizations and federate them together, so you can build a command and control network that's based on roles and permissions. You can segregate your data, so it's not data overload for the individual soldier. The individual soldier will see what they need to see, and you can design your network efficiently to allow you to do that. So it can work in a connected and disconnected fashion. So in the modern battle space, we understand a network is going to be a challenge with all the EW assets that are out there. We understand that it's not a connected 24/7 environment anymore, such as in peace support or counterinsurgency operations. Our network philosophy is the network will fail, so we're building in survivability and redundancy for data at the dismounted soldier level. So when they regain a connection, a data connection, they can synchronize with their higher headquarters and continue, but they're still able to continue operations while in a disconnected state.
Okay, that's really, really interesting. Thank you for explaining that. But you mentioned in one of your answers earlier on that you are a Canadian company, you are based in Ottawa. We're here in London. Pardon for being sort of parochial, but how would your approach and KWESST's approach to working with the UK defence situation work?
It's quite interesting you asked that. We have a saying at KWESST, command and control is a team sport. Right, we're a small but agile company, and a company of 30 cannot obviously solve a problem this big by ourselves. So we bring in partners. Right, in North America, we work with Persistent Systems out of New York City, and they have a partner here in the UK, Stay-A-Tight. And us as Quest, we partner with EWS Systems to help us deliver programs locally in the UK. So yeah, it's a Quest product, but we're part of a bigger team, right? And in the Army, we all understand that teamwork is paramount, and that's what we're trying to bring in the industry side as well.
Fantastic. Well, great. Really nice to hear about it, and thank you for taking some time to talk us through so we understand a bit more about command and control on the move. Peter, thanks very much for talking to us.
Thank you very much.